Who are expats who live in Cambodia? Ever order food on Grab and panic when the driver call you in Khmer? Don't worry, I will teach you what to say to sound confident and polite. Let's say your food arrives and the driver call you. What do you say? Here are two simple and useful phrases to say. Number 1. ខ្ញុំទៅហើយ ខ្ញុំទៅហើយ which means I'm coming. ខ្ញុំទៅហើយ Say this to let the driver know that you are on the way. You can add bong or on depend on how old of the driver is. Example ខ្ញុំទៅហើយបង ខ្ញុំទៅហើយអូន or just ខ្ញុំទៅហើយ Number 2. សូមចាំតិច សូមចាំតិច which means please wait a bit. Bonus tip. Combine them together. ខ្ញុំទៅហើយ សូមចាំតិច Again. ខ្ញុំទៅហើយ សូមចាំតិច which means I'm coming. Please wait a bit. That's it for today. Simple phrase for real situation. Search this for letter and try to use them next time when your food arrives. See you in the next episode. Bye.